The brand new 2020 XT6 takes Cadillac into one of the fastest growing and most lucrative segments of the new car market in America. The XT6 is a 7-seater crossover positioned between the XT5 and the truck-based Escalade. Up front, it borrows styling cues from the CT6, which was redesigned in 2018. It's got angular headlights connected to a bold shield-shaped grille. Vertical LED strips help it stand out on the road, especially at night. Cadillac offers two variants of the XT6 called Premium Luxury and Sport respectively. The XT6 comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that makes 310 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. Front-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic transmission come standard, and all-wheel drive is offered at an extra cost. Every XT6, regardless of trim level, comes with a touchscreen-based infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Users can navigate the infotainment system by poking the screen or by using a controller knob on the center console. This setup is similar to the one that's found in the XT4, but the XT6 inaugurates what Cadillac calls a jog function. The front passengers can tilt the knob like a joystick to go from menu to menu. The Cadillac XT6 will go on sale across the United States in the spring of 2019. Pricing information will be released closer to its on-sale date.